Good morning, guys. We are on day 104, and this is a review day. We're just going over addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, those things that we've been doing all year. So everything on today's lesson should be easy peasy. If not, make yourself a note so that in class today or as soon as we get back here, you can say, Ms. Dalton, I was having trouble with this, and you said it should be easy. That way I can get you caught up. Let's look at the first one. You have 14,589 plus 1,234. When you set this up, it's very important that you set up your numbers according to place value. You want your ones column together, your tens, your hundreds. You want to make sure those commas are right in line because they separate your periods. You have your thousands place and your 10,000s place. You just begin to add. 9 plus 4 is 13. Put down your 3, carry your 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, and 3 more make 12. Put down your 2, carry your 1. 5 plus 1 is 6, and 2 more make 8. Bring your comma down. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 plus nothing, 1. So your answer to number 1 is 15,823. Number 2 is set up the exact same way. You just want to keep your numbers in place value lined up, and you'll be fine. Just do your addition with regrouping. Let's look at number 3. That is a word problem. A waiter had 57 customers. 23 left. Well, we need to ask ourselves, what happened here? People went away, so we know we're going to subtract. How many customers would the waiter still have? So if you start out with 57 and 23 leave, you know you're going to subtract. 7 minus 3 is 4. 5 minus 2 is 3. So you would choose your answer here. The waitress would still have 34 customers. All right, if you look at the next one, it says, what number minus 369 equals 286? So if you have a number, you take away 369, your answer or your difference is 286. Well, to find your missing number, you're going to do the opposite operation. Instead of subtracting 369 from the missing number, you're just going to add 369 to the answer you got when you subtracted. So when you add these two numbers, you get 9 plus 6 is 15. Put down your 5, carry your 1. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 8 is 15. Put down your 5, carry your 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, and 2 more makes 6. Your answer is 655. Now, to make sure that you're correct, you could go back and minus 369 and make sure that you get the correct number. You can't subtract 9 from 5, so you go next door, mark out the 5, leave it a 4, make this 5 a 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. 4 minus 6, you can't do that, so you mark out your 6, leave it a 5, make this 4 a 14. 14 minus 6 is 8, and 5 minus 3 is 2, and you see that those numbers are correct. So the answer is 655. Be careful with that next one as you have a bunch of zeros. You have 1,000 minus 455. Remember, you can't take 5 from 0, and you can't borrow or regroup from this 0 to this 0, so you mark out this one, leave it a 0, that makes that a 10, mark it out, leave it a 9, make this a 10, mark it out, leave it a 9, and make that a 10. And you may have to go back and rewatch that. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 4 is 5, 0 minus nothing is 0. Now, another way you could have done that and still gotten 545, when you had 1,000 minus 455, you could have said, I don't want to do all of that. I just want to take 999 minus 454. You could have done that and ended up with the same answer. We'll do the rest of these when I see you in class at 12, okay? Let me know if you need any help or if you have any questions at 12. We'll be on our Google Meet. See you then.